Okay, today I'm going to be picking a multi-lock, which is a 5-pin lock that uses telescopic pins. Pins look something like this. This is the lower pin, or one of the lower pins, which is made up of an exterior pin, which is that one there, and an interior pin, which is that one there. They just sits inside that one, just like that. The upper pins have the same deal, but with a spring inside for the interior pin. Just go together like that, and a spring sits on top of that for the exterior pin. That's the hole there. There's nothing really special about that, and it's a dimple style cylinder. That's the key. You can see there, when the key goes in, all the pins move independently. So there's two separate shear lines with a single row of pins. Okay, so I've got one here and I'm going to try to pick. There are special picks available for this lock, but I just use the standard picks. One of them is the large half diamond with a filed down one edge there, which just makes it easier to get underneath the pins. And I also use a slimline hook. Just compare those shafts. That's good for some of the interior pins, and just a cut down tension wrench. Okay, so first off, I start just using the half diamond just to lift up the exterior pins on their own. Same deal, just put tension on the lock and set each pin as it binds. It's a really scattered binding order with these locks. Okay, locks aren't setting, so I've overset something, so I'm just going to start over. Okay, that big click there meant all of the exterior pins are set and the tension was just transferred to the interior pins. So you're still using the half diamond, start setting those. Something to watch out for is that second pin there was binding, but I was able to push it all the way up and it didn't set. It means the interior pin sets higher up than the exterior pin. So when that happens, it's just a small hook to go in and set it on its own. Okay. And it's just back to the half diamond. Okay, so the lock just turned quite a lot and then stopped. What happened is, once all the interior pins were set, the lock turned and one of the interior pins on the upper pins dropped back down and caught one of the holes in the cylinder. So once that happens, because the interior pin will now be lined up with one of the rim of the exterior pins, just push each one up till you find which one is holding it. Okay, there we go. So that's all there. Just take this one apart now. So that's the plug there, all of the bottom pins, and the upper pins, all there. There you go.